Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to back up iPhone to PC. iCloud is a cloud storage services provided by Apple. It can be another way to back up iPhone to PC without iTunes. Once you enable the iCloud service, your files will be synced among your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Here is how to back up iPhone to iCloud on computer. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi and make sure that iPhone has enough power. Step 2. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Select your name, iCloud, and iCloud Backup. Step 3. Click Backup Now to start to back up iPhone on iCloud. Step 4. When the backup process is complete, open your browser on your computer and go to www.icloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Then, choose data you want to back up. And last, step 5, select files you want to back up and click the download button on the top of the site. If you are moving photos to your PC, you will be asked to choose an original or compatible format. But note, it's not totally free for you to use iCloud Backup iPhone. You just have 5 GB of free storage and have to pay for more iCloud storage. If your iCloud backup takes forever, you can check if your internet or Wi-Fi is working well. And you can disable some large apps in iCloud. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.